the 10 best tips for your next tent camping adventure. Even if you can pitch a tent, there are many do's and don'ts that can make or break your trip. Choose the right tent for your needs. Tents are not one size fits all, so pick wisely. If you're not backpacking, buy a bigger tent. Practice setting up your tent at home. This ensures you're prepared for any conditions at the campsite. Pitch your tent in the perfect spot. Avoid low areas where water can collect and look for flat ground. Use quality metal stakes and a tent stake hammer. Avoid cheap plastic or thin metal stakes. Don't let anything touch the tent walls. Condensation can form inside, making things wet. Never store food in your tent. Pack a broom and a welcome mat. It makes your campsite feel like home and keeps it clean. Store your tent in a large storage bin or a breathable bag, not its original bag, for longevity. Visit Dragoyle.com to see the full article. Presented by Coach Trina at Dragoyle.com.